Alright everybody, we have here a 2007 International 9200 Eagle with a CAT C13 cert in it. It's been sitting outside a couple of days now. It hasn't been run. Usually these trucks have tri-packs on them which heat the coolant, charge the batteries. At this time, the tri-pack is not working. So we're going to see if it's going to start. It's about minus 14 outside right now. Let's give it a try. Turn off the electrics.
It doesn't make sense to offer additional banking facilities. People are moving to online banking.
Just turn off the radio. There we go. And the air is low. And this truck has a 12-speed ZF Meritor automatic in it. And no intake preheaters or glow plugs. We're going to see if it's going to start. And here we go. Good, another try almost. And battery voltage build down there. And we'll give it one more try. And still no good. I'll give it one more try. This truck's got 687,568 kilometers on it. And I'll give it a shot one more time. There she goes. She is not happy about it.